KO on. I said KO's verse is the epitome of the verse you write when you're trying to kill the dude on the track. That is what I said. No. Wait,
okay.
I just want to put this.
Okay.
The sound bites take away context.
Okay.
I said KO's verse is the epitome of the verse you write when you're trying to kill another nigga on the track.
Okay.
So that tells you what I think about what his verse did or what it was about.
Is that what you said?
Yes, that is exactly what I said. That's the thing. You
that
gotta
is
watch
not
the whole.
Exactly what
you gotta
said.
You gotta watch. You gotta watch. You gotta
I watched the whole thing.
You gotta watch the whole thing. I said KO's verse is the verse you write when you're trying to kill the next rapper. And what I'm saying about it being off topic is that the topic is not kill the next rapper. If
but
you
no,
relax. You need to understand that I know the if you receive the track had the verses on when you receive it, right? So the track has the verses on. So the verses, whatever's on the track in terms of the verses, that is the subject of the track. The hook is the Run Jozi, the handle, the Younger Chief handle, the TKZ, the Magesh handle, right? And the whole entire thing of actually the dream of running Jozi, because coming from wherever you want to come from, you want to run Jozi. Now, that is a small part of where the verses are expanded to by the content in Keenan's 2 verses. Now, my thing is this. I also say it is subjective. I say, line is appealing to a whole lot of people. Like people are enticed by that. But for me, I don't find it enticing because I find it misogynistic. Because I think that, it's very easy for rappers to just, bag on women and talk about, how you be dancing around for a bag.
No, sir.
As if, hold on, wait. As if with no accountability for the role they play in that whole entire lifestyle. You understand? The only reason there's a woman dancing on the floor with her booty down is because there's a nigga throwing money for that shit. I don't throw money for women to dance down. So I'm not that type of whack nigga that does that shit. You know what I mean? I'm a solid dude. So I don't need to do that.
What's this have to do with the man's verse?
I'm just saying. When you describe that scene and you exclude the role of the man who's also a participant in that scene, for me, it's misogyny. And it's typical because as a fan of KO and having listened to KO's raps, since his career started, I know that he's got a very misogynistic tone. So I know to expect the misogynistic punchline in. And every time he throws in a misogynistic punchline, I look out for that. And personally, because music is subjective, personally, I minus points for that. I dock points for those types of things. You know what I mean? Other dudes do not. You know what I mean? Other dudes are like, yo, no, we can go into whatever we want to go into. But rap is, people have freedom of expression. And yeah, we do have freedom of expression. But the majority of rap is, either homophobic, or misogynistic. You know what I mean? Either or. That is it. So, like,
when do I speak here? When do I speak?
I just hold on. I'm the one who's trending on Twitter because you tweeted me, dog. You understand what I'm saying? I can't even speak. I don't even speak. So when you say I'm wrong by saying that KO's verse is the verse you write when you're trying to kill a nigga on a song, how then do you say that everybody agrees that KO killed Keenan on the song? That is I'm just trying to juxtapose.
When do I speak?
Me being wrong.
Can I speak now?
And me being wrong and your initial assertion. You know what I mean?
So I can speak now?
Yeah, speak.
Oh, okay. So the first thing you said as soon as you started this conversation was,
yeah, I premised.
You said you did not say that KO didn't kill the man. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So
I did not say
then,
that. I did not say that like that.
Yes. So then do we first of all then agree that KO killed the man?
Yes. He killed the man.
Oh, so KO
that is what I said.
AKA
No, but that's what I said.
Run
Yes.
Jozi.
But that is exactly what I said. That's what I said in terms of he killed the
Let
man.
me speak. It's my turn. It's my turn.
Yeah, but I'm okay.
You said
taking
yes.
my
That's
context.
all I needed.
Okay, cool.
You said yes.
Cool. Shout. Next
So,
one.
yes, KO killed him on Run Jozi.
Yeah.
We agree.
Next point.
Yeah?
Next point. You agree with me?
You made it seem as though. Now, I'm glad you brought up the soundbite too, because we can go fetch that somewhere. Because the soundbite
No.
has
The thing is,
nowhere on
there's
the
2
sound.
hours.
Listen, let me
There's
speak.
2 hours of that. There's
Let
2
me
hours of that.
speak. Let me speak.
Yeah.
On the soundbite, nowhere are you saying that is the type verse you write. Actually, even if you do say that on the interview, on that soundbite, you are
I
being
do say the
very
misogyny.
clear.
I do say misogyny. Yo, I do say it's more
Let
misogyny.
me
I do say that.
speak.
No, but you need to go. Don't go to the
You
soundbite. Go
already
to the
said
full interview.
that. You said that.
Yeah,
You
that's
said
it.
that.
And I
You said that.
contextualize it as well. Yeah.
So let me speak.
Yeah,
You've already
speak.
said what you say.
Okay, so where am I wrong? I want to know where I'm wrong.
If you let me speak.
Okay, where am I wrong?
On that soundbite, you make it seem as though, especially because there is a part where you forget that before, right, the interview, you even tweeted, there are people who know hip hop, and then there are those who think KO killed AKA on Run Jozi. Did you not tweet that? And now on this live, you just agreed that he did kill him. So what did that tweet mean?
So the thing is this about rap is that it's got complexities,
Answer
and I
the
say that it's
question.
subjective. No, I'm answering
question.
the question.
What
I'm
did
answering the
that tweet
question.
mean?
What I do not think is that KO did not kill the song Run Jozi. I think he was killed on the song. I think on the song, he killed the man. I think he killed the man, but he did not kill the song. So let's talk about the song and the man. I'm playing the ball. You are playing the man.
On
You understand
your
what I'm
tweet.
saying? No, on your song. No,
I'm asking you about your tweet.
That's exactly my point on my tweet, is that my tweet is for people who actually know hip hop. If you know hip hop, then you know. If you know hip hop, then you know. If you know hip hop, then you know that Eminem fucking rapped his ass off on Renegade.
Is not
But
gonna make you right.
when you talk about the content and the context of what Jigga was saying on Renegade, it levels beyond, because it's actually real life.
Dota,
it's not like some white. That's the tweet that I'm speaking to, and you're asking me about a tweet which is less than 280 characters and doesn't have context. So
when you
now,
say there are those who think he killed AKA on Rancho, you said those who think he killed AKA, not the song.
Yes. It's a tweet. It's a tweet. What is the tweet for?
It's
for 280 characters.
Again. Go back and fix it.
Never.
Then you can't blame me for the context.
No, go to the interview.
You're
talking about the sound here. You're talking about the sound, but go to the interview. I gave the context there. Forget the Twitter, dog. The Twitter. I'm not even on Twitter. Exactly. Now go to that interview, because the interview was about the context. The Twitter was for the spectacle. The Twitter was so that you motherfuckers watch that interview. Well, the Twitter was so that it does numbers. So now that it's doing the numbers, you guys get to get the context. So what I'm saying is to you, do not look at the demonstration. Do not look at the Ushishilizangendu pants and think that's the substance of Run Jozi.
Did he kill the song or not?
No, he did not kill the song. He killed a man.
Nota, come on. You've seen that song being performed. Which part of
I've
the
seen
song
the
is the
song being
most
performed.
favorite
Let me
part?
tell you. Now, let me tell you.
On
Let me tell
stage.
you. Now, hold
What
on, hold on,
happens
hold
when
on,
KO
hold
comes
on,
on
hold on, hold on, hold on.
the
I'll give you
song?
another example. I'll give you another example.
No,
Can I
let's
give you
not
an
go for
example?
another example. This
Wait,
very one.
yes.
The song
No,
we're
no,
talking
no.
about.
We can
On
go for
stage,
many
because you're saying
examples.
he didn't kill the song. On stage, when they are performing the song, which part of the song goes up the most?
The spectacle. The spectacle.
So
The
which part
spectacle.
of the
The
song?
spectacle. Yo,
Which
dog,
part
let me
is the
tell you something. Let
spectacle?
me tell you something. Let me tell you
Which
something. Let
part
me
is
tell you
the
something.
spectacle?
Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Answer.
The spectacle is the misogyny, the shit that I don't fucks
Which
with.
part?
And
Whose part is that? Whose part?
the KO verse, the 24 bar
So
verse.
which part on the song then is
Now
the
let's
one
even
going
go
down?
into that. Wait,
KO's
did you
part.
hear what did you hear what I said? The 24 bar verse.
You wanna
Now
dance
let's
with
say you and
words
I
with
do a
me?
song. Wait, I'm not dancing with words. What do you mean? What I can? What do you mean? I can. What do you mean? What?
You said earlier, you said yourself on here
So
that he killed the man. So
yes,
we've already
he didn't
finished
kill the
that.
song.
Then you're saying he didn't
No,
kill
he
the
killed him.
song. Now
He
I'm
didn't kill
asking
the
you, when the
song.
song is being performed, what's the peak of the song? You are saying KO's part. So he killed the song.
No. The peak of the song is the peak. The song is
You
arranged
said
so that
it.
he's at the peak of the song. The song is arranged so he's at the peak of the song. It's a 24 bar fucking verse that is in the middle of the fucking joint that is arranged so
Is
that
it the
he can
peak or
switch up.
not?
No. Hold on. The peak of the song was arranged specifically for his verse. You
Is
understand what
it
I'm
the
saying?
peak or
So
not?
that is the peak of
I
the
don't
song,
care.
yes. But that doesn't mean that he killed the song. Killing the song is not just about having the peak of the song, dog. The peak of the
Imagine.
song. It's
So
not
killing
just
the
about
song
that.
is not
Let me
about
tell you.
killing the song.
No. Killing the song is not just about having the peak of the song. I'll give you an example. Nah? The peak of
Yes.
Ngud. The peak of Ngud
Yes.
is Ketwere Stoko Sa Lehoa. That is the peak of the song. That is
So are
the
you
peak
gonna say
of that song.
Cassper didn't kill that verse? Didn't kill that
He
song?
murdered it. No. I'm not. No, he murdered the song. But
Yes.
you cannot deny that the essence and the true reason why that song, right, gravitated with so much and is so memorable is because of the tone of the voice on the song. The voice
But
on the
did
song. Wait.
Cassper kill the song?
The song is made by that voice. That peak of that song is the direct opposite of the voice, the baritone
But
that
Cassper
makes
killed
good.
it.
Hold on. The bass that makes that song. The bass that makes that song is not the peak of the song. The peak of the song is Ketwere Stoko Sa Lehoa. What makes the
Yes.
song is the bass on the fucking song, man. So you don't understand. You
So
don't
did he
understand
kill the
that
song or
you can
not?
be on the peak of the song. You can be at the peak of the song. Okay? You can be
Did
at the peak of
Cassper
the
kill the
song.
song or not?
He killed the song. No,
Did
he killed the
KO
song.
kill the song or not?
He did not kill the song. He killed the man.
So why did you bring up Casper's moment as a comparison to KO's
I
moment
brought
if they
up
don't
moments.
relate?
I brought up a moment because the moment
Why?
they do relate
Why?
because a moment is a moment because that moment does not make the song.
No, to
The
stop
moment
the
does not make that
bullshit.
song. As much as it's the peak moment, it does not make the song. You understand what I'm saying? And that's the complexity of it. It's the complexity of it. If you don't understand that nuance, you understand, then you will not understand the context that I'm trying to give you. This is
What was the
higher
okay?
level.
Can I ask you a question?
This is
Can I ask
higher
you a question?
level. Higher no. This is higher level. This is higher
Higher
level.
than what? Higher
No.
than
This is
what?
no. Higher level. Let's
Higher
talk
than
about
what?
the content.
Higher level than what? Higher than what? What do you mean higher level? Higher than what?
No, hold on. The way in which we're dissecting this.
So higher than which level?
No, this is
What do you
higher
mean?
level. As in, we're dissecting it at the highest level. This is
Of
level.
course, we've been doing that the
It's
whole
not.
time.
No. We do that naturally because of who we are.
Yes. That's why I'm asking. So who are
This
you
is not
saying
just
that to?
this is not, no. I'm saying this is a higher level conversation. I'm saying that's what it
Yes.
is. You understand what I'm saying? So
Mm-hmm.
let us treat it as such. Let us not
Okay.
ignore the fact that there are certain nuances, dog. Let's not go at the ground level, dog. Let's not go at what the crowd like. Let's not go at what's the crowd reaction? The crowd reaction, dog. You know how the crowd reacts
What
to
makes a song? What confirms
dog.
a
Let me
song?
tell you something. If we're looking at peak moments and crowd reaction moments, then Big Zulu is the greatest rapper of all time because all he does is stand and make crowd reaction moments.
No. No.
That's what it does, but that's mostly what he does. That's how he goes
That
for a song.
those two
That is
things do
how he
not
goes for a
equate.
song.
No.
No,
You tried
exactly.
it.
So
You
no.
tried.
That let's go to the
You
higher level.
tried.
No, but I'm saying that is what you are saying. That it does
No,
because
that's
if we're
not
talking
what
about
I'm
no,
saying.
what's the crowd reaction? Which verse when you in the crowd? Which verse goes down
Give
for the crowd?
me
And I tell you,
any
yes, the
metric you
KO
want
verse
to
goes
use for
down
the
for the
song.
crowd. You trying to use the crowd metric? I'm trying to use the actual lyrics, the content, dog. What is the subject matter? What is the man saying, man? That's what I'm trying to say. Let's look at what the man is talking about. And all I'm saying is that KO is just misogynistic as usual. You understand? You know, understand? Flexing